Gwenynnen wedi animeiddio ar logo NTW, blodyn melyn yn agor, trychfilod yn crwydro'r prif llwyd llaeth, a dau gylch melyn yn sgwrsio yn awyr y nos.
They've given me a name.
What? Who?
What? The humans. The humans have given me a name.
A name? Not enough. Who are they trying to fool?
What? Why do you say that? They've given me a name. They care about me, care about all of us.
Not enough, not enough, not enough. You tell the humans. You tell them this from me. I've got a message for them. Tell them. There once was a time of order.
But I've already told them this. I know how important it is.
Like all things, it took effort to maintain that order. Stories needed to be told. Stories told to create understanding between us. You told us your stories through your voice, your song, your poetry, and your art. But the stories stopped. As to plant became to chop, as to protect became to poison, as to give became to take and take and take, the balance began to shift. You saw yourself as elevated, better than, superior. The story stopped. And so began the taking, the destruction, the ruin, driven by want, not need, and you forgot. As the world stands on the edge of darkness, as the balance reaches the tipping point, we want you to remember how to tell us your story, how to sing us your song. What can you tell us to help restore the balance, to keep us near? What will you tell the bees?
What will you tell the bees?
Cefnogwyd gan Paul Hamlin Foundation a Counterpoints